everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Wow friends, you can see here is really parked. All are nice and beautiful toys. So now I will hand drive all of this vehicle with my hand. At first is a police car, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, at least I reached my parking place, so I parked here this police car. This one is white, black and silver color combination. And next one is a military tanker here, so I will drive this one now. I parked here this military tanker. This one is green and black color combination. And this one is a runner car here, so I will drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this runner car beside military tanker. See this runner car, this is red, black and white color combination. And now I will drive this green company double-decker bus. Let's go. I parked here this green company double-decker bus. This one is paste and black color combination. And this one is a cartoony drum truck, so I will drive this one now. I parked here this drum truck. This one is pink, purple and paste color combination. And next one is a mixer truck here, so I will drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this mixer truck. This one is yellow, black and white color combination. This is the last one is 911 police helicopter, so I will drive this one also. I parked here this 911 police helicopter. This one is blue, black and white color combination. So friends, all of these vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. And now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.